So now our second example is prove that the following language is non-regular using pumping lemma. Now what is a language? Language is a raised to n, b raised to n, where n is greater than equal to greater than 0, or the same problem can be represented as L is equal to a raised to m, b raised to m, m is greater than 0, only the parameter is changed, or you can also get the same question in the form of 0 raised to n, 1 raised to n, where n is greater than 0, or 0 raised to I, 1 raised to I greater than 0. So if you will observe in all this, only the parameter names are changed but the problem is same. So now we will start solving this particular problem or proving this, whether this particular language is regular or non-regular. So very first step, as we have discussed, what we write first step will be, let us assume that the language L is regular and n be the constant of pumping lemma. Okay, now second point is, let us choose a sufficiently large z such that z is equal to a raised to L, b raised to L for some L greater than 0. So again, as per the definition of pumping lemma, we have to choose a sufficiently large string z. The length of z is given by 2L. Why 2L? Because L will be for this number of A's and the second L will be for this number of B's. So L plus L, so total length of this z will become 2L, which should be greater than equals to n, which is a constant of pumping lemma. Then we have to be able to represent the z in the form of UVW, because as per pumping lemma it is a infinite language and z can be represented as UVW. Okay, next step is, as per pumping lemma u v raised to iw for all I greater than equal to 0 is in L, where v should be greater than equals to 1, that is v should not be empty. So if we have all these assumptions correct, then this should also happen. Now we will try to disprove this, that this is not possible. So we will take one by one cases. Very first case is that a single symbol from A and B. So let us consider V contains a single symbol from A and B. So either A or B will be the V, that is the length is equal to 1. So since Z is equal to UVW, therefore UV raised to IW is in L. Therefore UV square W in L as per pumping lemma. Now as V is a single symbol and it is pumped 2 number of times, so the number of A's and B's will be different. I hope you agree, because now if V is, so for example, if V is equal to A and my string is, that is Z is AA, BBB, okay, then I need to represent this Z as U, V and W. So I have considered U as A, V as this A and B as double B. Then my U V square W will become what? A. This A will be pumped 2 times, so V square and then W. So this particular string must be in L, and if it is, then the language will be regular language, otherwise it will not be regular. So thus U V square is not in L, which is contradicting our assumption that language is regular. Why it is not in L? Because see, number of, as it is written, will be different. So the number of A's and B's will be different, where as per the definition of language, what is expected? Number of A's should be equal to number of B's. Okay, but here what is happening? Number of A's are 3 while the number of B's are 2, and as we have more values of I, that is V cube V raised to 4, this will be again growing, that is the length of A will grow, then the B, and that is not supporting the language definition. So this is the first case which disproves that the language is regular. Now next case is both the symbols A and B, that is V contains both the symbols A and B. So since Z is equal to UVW, therefore UVI V raised to IW is in L for I greater than equal to 0. Therefore UV square will also be in L as per pumping lemma. As V contains AB and it is pumped 2 number of times, so V square will be AB AB, is it? But as per language definition, all B should follow equal number of A's, where AB AB is not satisfying this. Okay, so for example, suppose V is AB, my Z is same AABB. Now I have considered here A as U, my V is AB, okay, and my W is B only. Then my UV square W will become what? U, AB, AB and then B. So if you will observe this particular string AA, BA, BB, so where there is no sequencing as per the requirement of language, that is all B should follow all A's, that is equal number of A's. So here as it is written, but as per the language definition, all B should follow equal number of A's, where AB AB is not satisfying this and the resultant string is also not satisfying. Thus UV square W is not in L, which is again contradicting our assumption that the language is regular. Now similarly, if we consider the case of pumping double B or double A, that is pumped, again number of A's and B's will not be same. So from all these cases what we can prove? So from all these cases it is proof that L A raised to N B raised to N N greater than 0 is not regular. So I hope this example is clear to you, that how you will be proving this language is not a regular language using the pumping lemma.